Show us your tits.
Shit, are those real?
I bet you're a real sensitive lover, aren't you, sweetie?
They don't build them like this back home.
I bet you want to touch these, huh?
Man, I like that.
Hell, I'm so hot, I'm gonna have to go and towel myself down.
Man, you one sexy bitch.
Come again soon.
These are the American titties my cousin told me about.
Hey, baby, come over here.
You like what you see here, baby? Oh, are you gonna enjoy this? Come on. You like what I got here, sugar?
Does your mama know you do this?
Oh, you like me grinding up on you?
This no-touching rule is killing me.
Now, don't go falling in love.
Shit, are those real?
Oh, now you're all sweaty. That was fun. Oh, baby, I can see you enjoyed that.
They don't build them like this back home.
Do you want to come back there with me, honey?
Man, you one
What's the matter? Don't you like a real woman?
Let's go. El desastre, me sigue. Coming through. About to get pounded. Excuse me, coming through.
Okay, you're gonna have to leave.
Me. Ese tipo no tiene vergüenza. He's crazy, man. You ready, punk? Huh? You ready?
No me falta ese Don't annoy me.
Oh. Don't kill me. You're gonna regret tangling with me. Analfabetos. No, not me.
My mistake. Sorry.
Watch out, he's got a gun.
Country, eh? You want things to get messy?
No me dispares por la espalda.
Fuck, sorry.
Hey, this guy's crazy. ¿Por qué yo? Oh, Jesus. Asshole. No me rebajo a tu nivel.
¡Joder con esta ciudad!
Tells me to smoke outside here for a while.
Redwood.
Hey, what's up, money?
Hey.
Come on. Ladies, give me a few minutes. Business call.
do it. I don't care if I live or die. I'm looking for someone.
Someone special.
Yeah, you'd say that. So, why do you need me?
I'm always looking for good guys. Build an army. But in my work, people change. Money changes people. Not me. Now I'm still a hustler from the streets. And I heard good things about you.
Okay, but I'm warning you. I'm not low budget.
Do I look like I live low budget, dog?
Yo, player,
Fuck you on.
there's someone here for you. Dwayne or some shit, I don't know.
Hey, my dude!
What's up, son? What's going down?
You didn't tell me you was getting out? Man, I would've laid on a party, got some drinks out.
I called. A couple of times.
Man, hey, Dwayne, this is Nico.
Hey.
Nico Dwayne Ford. Taught me everything I know.
Not ever.
So, hey, man, where you staying? You need some money? What's the plan?
What you mean, what's the plan? Pick up where we left off. I'm out and back. We keep on rolling.
You say we?
Yeah, we. Unless you too fine. What? You silk sheet, fancy dress wearing like too big for me now?
Oh, hey, I ain't saying that. You know what's mine is yours. You need help, just holler. Hey, this sloppy motherfucker any good, he can help you. You know, I'll do anything I can. Right now, we got it. Give me 1 second.
Ain't folk quick to forget.
Some folk.
Shit, that's the truth.
Where did you get out from?
Preschool.
Okay, Wayne, we gotta roll. Please make yourself at home. Hey, this is your home. Let's jet, buddy.
Fucker must think I'm an idiot.
We going to Castle Gardens. There's an alley we want to hit up just off the South Parkway.
D, motherfucker, D! D is in drive!
What the hell is that? What the?
Look at us standing out here like...
Having a good day? Fucking shit!